Ghost Gang, what's good? It's your boy Sean back again with another video, and today is gonna be the SpoilerKing 380 SP spoiler from one of my sponsors. And this video, I kind of did most of the work to this already because you gotta line it up just perfect, and I'm doing it by myself. So I probably wasted about 30 minutes going back and forth, adjusting the tape, reusing the tape, and trying to get it on here, because on YouTube I have yet to see another Dodge Challenger with this on there. I've seen a ton of Chargers, and actually how the Charger window is shaped, it'll drop right in there. But since the Challenger has a curve, you got to kind of go back and forth and line it up. So I already cleaned the window, I already got handprints on it, but I did prep underneath where it was going to go. So I'm just going to peel this back and put this on here because that took about 30 minutes. I didn't want to waste you guys' time. And let's get this on here. Also, I'm using the head strap for recording and no mic, so I'm not sure how this is gonna come out. I'm gonna try to avoid doing a voiceover because I found some settings to adjust the sounds when you edit. But yeah, so to explain about it a little bit, I had some prep spray left over from when I did my Lux decal, so I ended up using some of that after I cleaned the windshield. But basically, once you line it all up, you can set these out right here and pull back. So I saw a couple videos. The easiest way for me to do it is to do one strip at a time and tighten down. And it also said to put this tape up here to hold it, but I'm thinking if I let it sit out in the sun, it should be good. So I'll slowly start taking this tape off and push down as I go. And get on the other side. Oh man. Let's take this back. So got that part on here. So I'm gonna go back to the other side and get the bottom strip. This painter's tape come in handy because it doesn't leave a residue. You see, this ain't that bad. Just to get it on here. Shit. Bam. So you just go back, press it down. And yeah, a whole bunch of handprints, all that on my car. But you know, it's all good. Give it that wipe down and a little bit. And it had said hold some tape on here, but man, it's hot as hell outside. So I just started finna, you know, get all of this down. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys on today's video. Probably won't be the best, but yeah, basically, you know, you clean the window off. You know, try not to do what I did, no handprints. I had some prep spray. Got that on there. Lined it up, but like I said, I hadn't seen a Challenger video for this. So it took me a little bit longer than the guys that had the Charger video with this. And to get it on, I lined it up, held it with tape, pulled it back. Their instructions say put tape on, but I'm gonna end up taking this out the garage today and driving it. And just let the, you know, let the sun do the work. It's gonna be 95 degrees today. And again, from my sponsor, SpoilerKing, and this is the 380 SP. And I still owe you guys that Ram Air video. And I'm also do 2 audio videos. One discussing what I already put in this car, and the reason why I'm doing it, because some of the speakers that I'm swapping out on my work car are the same, and it's a perfect opportunity to segue into that. So yeah, stay tuned and take it easy, guys. Peace.